We need to review as much information as we can to help us formulate a best guess or hypothesis as to the function of the behavior. Observation is key. Remember, you have a good description of the behavior. You'll watch for that behavior and pay attention to the antecedents and consequences to that behavior. We'll show you an ABC or an antecedent behavior consequence chart in a couple of slides. There are multiple ways to document your observations, but the ABC charting will give you a good idea of what is happening and will help you find patterns. We'll also give you some resources in a few slides, and those will help you with documenting your observations and keeping data as well. You really can't guess at this. All of us at Access can tell you about times our assumptions were proven wrong when we reviewed our data. Decisions need to be data-based. By the same token, hypotheses are really our best guesses, and sometimes we're wrong. If so, we go back to your data, take some more data, and try developing another hypothesis. Interviewing those who support the student for whom you have concerns can be helpful. Don't just limit your interview to the teacher or teachers. Others will have good information too. If your student happens to work with a paraeducator, you need to pick his or her brain for sure. Also interview family members. They know your student better than anyone. If your student is able, interview him or her. Your student may just tell you why he or she is engaging in a particular behavior. Again, look at our resource slide to find helpful forms for these interviews. A file review, including whatever IEPs are available, will also help. This is especially helpful in discovering interventions or ideas that have previously helped or maybe have not worked at all. You'll also get clues as to setting events such as medications, family issues, and so on. So, in other words, become a detective. The more information you have, the more likely you are to hit the target in terms of function of problem behavior.